Understanding the phrase, "Stock is running out," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and commonly used English phrase, "Stock is running out." Whether you're shopping online, visiting a store, or discussing product availability, this phrase is crucial to understand and use correctly. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some related expressions to help you communicate more effectively in English. The phrase, "Stock is running out," refers to a situation where the supply of a particular product or item is becoming very low and may soon be unavailable. It implies that there are only a few items left and, if not replenished, will be gone. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from retail and online shopping to inventory management in businesses. To fully grasp the phrase, let's break it down. Stock. This refers to the total quantity of a particular product or item that is available for sale. Is running out. This indicates a process that is currently happening. The stock is decreasing and getting closer to being completely gone. Together, these components convey a sense of urgency, suggesting that if someone is interested in purchasing the product, they should act quickly. "Stock is running out" can be used in several ways. In conversations, to inform someone that a product is almost sold out. In marketing, retailers often use this phrase to create a sense of urgency among potential buyers, encouraging them to make a purchase before it's too late. In business meetings, to discuss inventory levels and the need to order more stock. Example sentences: "Hurry up. The stock is running out fast, and we might not get another shipment until next month. I wanted to buy that new book, but the stock is running out in every store I've checked." Other phrases related to stock availability include, "Out of stock." This means there are no more items available for purchase at all. "Low in stock." There are still some items available, but not many. "Back in stock." Previously unavailable items are now available again. Understanding these variations can help you better navigate shopping and inventory discussions. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "Stock is running out," and its importance in both everyday and business English. Remember, mastering such phrases can significantly improve your communication skills, especially in scenarios involving shopping or inventory management. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use these phrases in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.